Okay, all right, okay. This is it. It's the moment we all been waiting for. This is the beginning of Venus Academy. Let's get started. We're gonna open up the big one first. Let's do the big one. The moment we all been waiting for. This is the 2XL. I'm nervous. I'm so nervous. Ah! This must be the big box. So it's the 2X's and probably all the way down to medium in this box. I'm gonna move the smaller box over this way. Okay, so we have my size on top. I'm gonna unbox one of them. So this is the medium and the Venus Academy sweats. You feel me? So we're gonna open it up. I'm really nervous about this, and I'm gonna tell y'all why in a second. Zipper pockets, feel me, on both sides. Then it says Venus Academy right there. Then it says Venus across the booty, and it looks perfect, No. Hopefully this only happened on my pair. The colors are running together on the back. I gotta take a picture of this. Oh crap. So this is a part of quality control when you damn. I didn't even think about that. Maybe he should have packaged it the other way. Damn. Oh, I really hope all of these don't look like this. 'Cause that's gonna be a crazy defect. Crazy defect. Okay, let's look at the front. Okay. Venus Academy. She looking all nice and a little lovely. Okay. And I'm about to try these on too. The medium. Because that's the size that I wear. So this is the front of the Venus Academy sweats. And this is the back. This is cute. It's a little lower than I expected. Let me see. Okay, little daddy. Okay. Yeah, this is what I was so excited about for fall. See if I can find a medium green in here anywhere. Well, let me look at another. Yup, they all. Damn. This is gonna be so crazy. First of all, this is a medium and it's super tight. So I don't know how I feel about that because.
Let me see, like, put your legs up. Can I see the bottom of the pants? Like,
oh.
This stretch bottom.
You see that?
Oh, the line.
No, the marks in the white. All the different colors because they folded them together. They all clashed into each other. So I'm about to have to. It's. I mean. You're not gonna see it unless you see it in person. But it's just.
They actually kind of sweet. I like them.
Thanks. And it's like that on 2 pairs already, so I'm sure it's gonna be like that on all of them. So at the end, so my design may be furred. Like, I gotta finish recording this video because I'm doing a video for these goddamn stupid pants that are pissing me the hell off. I'ma just mute this part.
So straight up, they hard. They harder than the other ones because of the fall colors, but that blue one still sweats.
So I took everything out of the boxes, well, for the most part, just to do a inventory check. I gotta color this again. It's turning green. But you know, just to make sure I have all my quantities. And I went through and looked at them and looked at, you know, the printing and all that stuff. And so far, so good. So this is how I organize them by size. I have one rack right now. You saw some of the purple sweatsuits because I still have either tops of some sizes and no bottoms or vice versa. It is what it is. But yeah, so I'm about to set them up on here. And then I think I'm going to do product shots tomorrow. And I'll show you guys how I do my product shots again tomorrow. I made these. So I'm trying to really keep the theme together. So this is a notebook. Like, I used to make stuff like this when I was in like high school, and I made this one. I made this one. It's my favorite. And I made this one. Oh, and one more. I be having little heads and stuff on my floor. So I made all of those for photo shoots, product shots, and all that, using these they call it thickers from Michaels, and these I don't know what these are called. Got some paper up here. Paper House Productions. It's still not focusing, and I do not know why. So I'm doing my product shots outside in the front of my house because I wanted to do the natural light for once. I wanted to try it out. Aaron's here. I knew he just wanted the credit. He gave me the idea to flip the pants this way and put it on this side of the pavement because I was doing it over there at first. But yeah, he just wants some credit because he's fucking annoying. But yeah, this is what we're doing. I'm doing these, then I'm doing the green pair Aaron got on his shoulder. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I got my nails on, y'all, because I was looking treacherous, you feel me? Got it all bipped up, you feel me? So today is Monday, October the 26th. So we have 4 days until the sweatpant release. 4 days until the sweatpant release, and then we have 2 days until the photo shoot, right? So I went to Party City to get some last minute things, including this, and I wanted this real bad. You like my shirt? My shirt's from Shop She, New York. Yeah, I don't think she got any more of these, but I love this shirt. You can shop with Shop She, you feel me? That's my girl. But yeah, so I got one of these for the go team and stuff. And then I got some of this stuff is just stuff, you feel me? And then I this so I can be like, yo, pop that pussy, you feel me? It's like, no, I'm sorry. Don't stop, pop that cat. Alright, but really today I got 2 packages in the mail, and this one was on time and this one was early. So I'm impressed because I wasn't expecting to get this one till Thursday. I thought I was gonna have to do the shoot without it, but I ain't even had to do it without it because it got here on time. So I'm gonna open up this one first. Okay. Let me see if I can edit that noise onto here. So I got lanyards, guys. I got lanyards to go with the Venus Academy drop. And pressed is not the word. I just always wanted a cool lanyard. I never had a cool lanyard. I was like, why not make one with my business on it? Like, hopefully it opens up that. Yep. So let's pull one out. It's gonna be mine. So it just says Venus Academy. Real simple, real cute. I just don't have anything. Like for my keys, for my life, for nothing. I don't have anything. So I was like, I need a cute lanyard. Okay, it's Wednesday. Shoot day. Sophia is over there. I'm getting ready to start. My clothes are in here. Alright. There we go. Oh, I'm sticky now.
Yeah, dude. Bomb. I know.
Bomb. Okay, all right, okay. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Me, you, social media. We've gotten a lot of good feedback on social media, actually. And that's super lit. I'm looking for a piece of paper that I just realized I feel like I don't have, but whatever. So, today's Thursday. It's the day before the sweatpant drop. I'm just going to do the same thing I did last time. I think I showed you guys like how I, well, I didn't really show y'all, but told y'all like how I weigh all my items, how I do this, that, and the third. So these are the list of things we gotta do before this drop. You feel me? Let's go to this. As y'all can tell, I'm kind of hot. This ring light makes me extremely hot. I probably can turn off my overhead light though. Okay, so we have to update the website, which I've already done. I gotta finish the homepage, but so far it's cute, so good. So, okay, so the drop, that's all it says. Like the release to-do list is update the website, which I've kind of already done, but I gotta still finish it. Take pants, lanyard, and rhinestone decal inventory. Excuse me. I mean, I had the pant inventory, but of course I'm gonna check it again. Then update it on the website. Then I didn't check the inventory. I don't know if y'all noticed that. I didn't do a count of the rhinestone decals or the lanyard. So I gotta do that. Then, that's a little fly. These little gnats are ruining my home, okay? Create an email blast, and I'm gonna do that on MailChimp. I don't think I'm gonna record that part, because I just literally just fill in the blanks. Add a little cute stuff, whatever. Add pants and lanyard weight to description. So I have my scale, and we gonna do the weight. I probably need a bigger scale because I have bigger items, but not right now. Add pictures to the description because I literally uploaded the lanyards and the pants, and then I just left it because I gotta put product pictures on there. And update Pinterest. I haven't used our Pinterest ever, but I hear Pinterest is a good market to tap into, so we're gonna tap into Pinterest a little bit more, and that's it. So first, I'm gonna just redo inventory. So this is one of the magazines I designed for the Venus Academy stuff. When I was in high school, all my damn life, I've loved collages. So like, I made this little collage like as a notebook because this is what I used to do when I was in school. And so I'm gonna put all the inventory in here because I have 5 notebooks. I'm like, well, what the hell am I gonna actually do with them? So I'm gonna just use them. Duh. So I'm gonna use this one for my inventory. So I'm doing inventory of the lanyards, which are in here, stickers, thank you cards, well, packaging, and inventory. And I gotta do a whole inventory thing, but I'm not doing. I might as well do all my inventory right now, you know, because I'm just in the inventory mood. So that's what I'm doing first. Then I think I'm gonna move on to counting stuff. Is that what's next? Damn, I done forgot that quick. Oh, child, don't do crack. I don't do crack, y'all. I'm sorry, that's not even funny. That's not even funny. Then I think I'm gonna go on to do the weight, but I may do the weight while I'm doing inventory because why not? You know, I'm gonna just run through all this stuff, and yeah, so I'm gonna tilt the camera a little bit so y'all can see what I'm doing. Hopefully y'all see that I ain't got no pants on. I record majority of videos without no damn pants on. That's how I'm most comfortable. It is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna be inputting stuff on my laptop. So I think I'm gonna move the camera behind me actually, try to give y'all a better vision, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's see what I can do. Moving tonight. It's that energy drink. It gotta be. It's not a Red Bull though. It's a healthy Red Bull alternative. What you over there doing, Corey?
I'm doing some man.
Quick maps? I said quick maps?
What you mean?
Nothing. It's a little joke.